Morning second standard. Today we will do the revision for your test which will comes on 22nd July, and syllabus is for the test is chapter number 1 to 5. So today we will do the revision of chapter number 1. Before we start this MCQs, I will explain once again the chapter number 1, and then we will start this MCQ. So what we all need family, right? And we have two types of families, joint family and nuclear family. Now what is the meaning of family? The people who are related to each other and live together make a family, right? The two types of family are joint family, nuclear family, and in some cases there is a single parent family also. We can hear this word from anyone's mouth. Now I will start the meaning of family. As I told, the people, the group of people who related each other and live together is called a family. In family we learn togetherness or learn some manners, because family is our first school, and many people told that family is our first school. That is right, because we can learn so many things from our family members. We can see mainly two types of family, joint family and nuclear family. What is the meaning of joint family? The family in which grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts and children live together is called a joint family or a big family. We can also mention that joint family as a big family. Nuclear family. Nuclear family means the family in which father, mother and their one or two children live together in a same place or in same house is called a nuclear family. We can also mention the small family to nuclear family. We can also mention the nuclear family as a small family, right? So this is very important to know about the family. So now I will explain the members of family, or what is the role of family and how we are related to them. But first of all, I mention two words, paternal and maternal, and how refers to they refers to whom, right? So the word maternal refers to your mother's side, and the word paternal refers to your father's side. Means the parents of your father is called your paternal grandparents, and the parents of your mother is called your maternal grandparents. Now on paternal grandparents and maternal grandparents I explained that, but now I will explain how the brother sister of your mother and brother sister of your father related to you, and what will we say to them, right? The brother of your father or sister of your father is called your paternal uncle or aunt, right? In Desi language we will say them kaka and foi, right? Same way, the brother or a sister of your mother, the brother of your sister is called your maternal uncle, and the sister of your mother is called maternal aunt. In simple language we will call them mama or masi, right? That way same thing we will do with their children also, your maternal cousin and your paternal cousins, right? Now the father of your father or the mother of your father is called your paternal grandmother or paternal grandfather, right? Now about sibling. Who are siblings? So your brother or sister is called your sibling with whom you have a blood relation, जिसके साथ आपका खून का रिश्ता हो, वो आपके siblings मतलब कि आपके भाई बहन बोले जाते हैं, right? As I told that the sister or brother of your father is called your paternal uncle aunt, and the brother or sister of your mother is called your maternal uncle or aunt, right? They have performed their duties in our family, but the main duty of our family from our family members are by done with from our parents and grandparents, because our parents, especially our father, earn money to fulfill the need of the family and also help us to your mother in her housework and also help you to doing your homework, completing in your homework. The mother also earn a money and give a support to a family and also cook a delicious food for us which we eat, right? And she also take care of our family, our grandfather. So duty of our grandfather is to take us on walk with them out of the house. The duty of our grandmother is to tell us stories and help us to sleep. सोने में हमें हेल्प करती है. हमको अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ यू डोंट नो when sleep will come, our grandmother will tell us a story, and after listening that story we will go to sleep or doing a rest, है ना. दादी जब स्टोरी बोलते हैं तो आराम करते हैं. आप करते हो ना? यस और नो? ओके, गुड. सो वी should obey our adults always and follow their orders in everywhere. Right? Now we will start the MCQs which I wrote on the board, and you have to learn and also write in your notebook for your preparation of test. So first of all of us live in a, see, we will live in a family and also in house. So here both options are here, but we have to write the answer both B and C, because we live with our family also and we live in a house also. So you have to take option D, both family and house. दोनों में ही रहते हो आप, फैमिली के साथ भी रहते हो और हाउस में भी रहते हो, राइट? सो ऑप्शन इज डी. A small family, also called as I explained before few minutes, we call a small family as a nuclear family and big family as a joint family. So here you have to tick on nuclear family, option C. Now third one, grandparents are paternal grandparents. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने बताया था कि किसके पेरेंट्स को आप पैटर्नल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे, किसके पापा मम्मी को आप पैटर्नल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे? ऑब्वियसली योर फादर्स, बिकॉज मदर्स parents are called maternal grandparents, right? So this way the children of your uncle or aunt are called your uncle या aunt के बच्चे कौन बोले जाएंगे? हमारे cousin. What? Cousin. We will call them cousin, as a mention them cousin. The word maternal refers to your, before few seconds I explained that the word maternal is father, mother, sister या brother. So the mother, answer is mother. Maternal word refers to mother and paternal word refers to father, right? इसके अलावा आपको बहुत से और MCQs भी शायद पूछे जाएं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, who will take care of your family? The options are father, mother, sister, brother. या तो ऐसा बोलोगे father, mother, both A and B, and option none of this. So option C is the answer will there. Okay, so write these MCQs in your EVS pen notebook as a revision part. Mention for preparation and write with good handwriting for reading, and read again and again these MCQs for the test. Thank you. Be safe at your home and have a nice